pulling the deck out of the Mako.
Joe and Eric are removing all the rotted core, compromised core. You want to just pull this layer off.
Yeah,
And leave it like this. Then roughen this and we'll wrap all this. You can see the glossy spots in the layer. Those are in fact spots that the core never stuck to, which caused acceleration of the rot because of the condensation that builds up. This is what happens when you pour resin and then just throw a piece of plywood down, end up with those voids. And everywhere there's a void, it won't stick. Wow, dude, super job.